So I've got my second Lookiero box package, which I'm going to unbox and try on. Again, the last one went well, so get it delivered, you pay for what you keep and return for free what you don't keep. Let's have a look. Oh, again, hi Denise, welcome. In your second Lookiero, you will receive new combinations, easy to match with your personal wardrobe and style. Let's explore your new box together. Okay, so here we got Esprit, Only, Lindex, Cerise Bleu, and Oasis. Okay, and 10% off for anybody that joins. Look, still excited. Oh, this is from Only. Oh, quality feels lovely and soft. Sweat top. Oh, V-neck. Oh, yes, I do like that. Oh, it's got low at the back. It's at the front. You can see that. Nice. Do like that. Oh, what's this? It's another dress. No, it's a skirt. Oh, yes. By Lindex. Printed, animal printed. It's like a green and black and green. Oh, that's lovely. Lovely soft material. It's that silky material. I'm not sure what you call it. Oh, that actually matches. Lovely, lovely. You can wear together. And I've got other tops that could wear that as well. This is in here. Oh, what's the, oh, because you have to clean. Cerise Blue. Oh, lovely, Carrie. That's lovely. That's lovely. Yes, that's lovely. Oh, yeah. Very nice. Oh, jeans. Black jeans by Lily. The stiletto skinny, high-rise ankle grazer. Oh. Very nice. Forgot about black jeans earlier as well. Oh, got a few matching things in there. Oh yes. From what I can see so far, there's a lot of matching things in here. This is lovely. This is from Esprit. Lovely blouse. Lovely material as well. Oh yes. Looking forward to trying these on. I'll see you later. So I've tried on all 5 outfits. And to be honest with you, I'm keeping all 5. I've got matching ones, bits that can match the black top, the black sweater with the skirt, the jeans with the blouse, plus I can mix and match with things like my own wardrobe. 5 out of 5 for all of them, everything. Thank you for a personal shopper. Thank you viewers, see you soon. Lookiero, bye bye.